I'm Jason Grieve, and I'm the Chief Client Officer at Questrade. I think the future is very bright for financial services, and I think Questrade's in a perfect position to be able to continue to lead the pack. Canadians today, investors today, are looking for solutions that are going to be tailor-made to them. Their needs are changing, and they want to make sure that there's individualization associated with what they're looking for. They want complex solutions to be provided in a very easy fashion. And so our 4E Easy product approach is perfectly aligned with where financial services is going. And then, of course, you got the evolution of technology. And Questrade is cutting edge, has always been cutting edge on technology. Culture at Questrade is very unique. It comes to life through the values in our organization, and the values are really the guideline in which we interact with one another. So really it's about the people. It's about team success, not individual success. It's about partnership and collaboration. It's about celebrating successes and milestones and learning as well from some of the opportunities that maybe we haven't done as well. The secret to our success is really the uncanny ability that we have to be able to identify an issue in the marketplace and then come up with creative, innovative, cost-effective solutions for our clients that solve that problem. And it's driven by the people, right? It's the people in the organization that are just laser focused at trying to find solutions for Canadians, and it makes them feel part of something special, something bigger than themselves. So it's really important as you build products and services and you build a vision for financial services that you take a moment to step back and celebrate the successes and the milestones that you've had. It's really important to continue that motivation within an organization. So it's a big part of what we do, and we celebrate those milestones and successes. We also put our employees in a position for stretch assignments so that they go into maybe another department and work there for a number of months, or they go onto a project team and they challenge themselves. It's really important for that development to challenge yourself, because we put a lot of emphasis in the organization of promoting from within. So we've got to prepare our employees to take on more responsibility. I am very proud to be working for Questrade. It's an organization whose values are actually very much aligned with mine, where we put our clients' best interests ahead of ours. A lot of financial institutions talk a good game, but fail to deliver. And in our organization, it really starts at the top, and it's part of our DNA. It's not a slogan, it's not a marketing campaign, it's who we are and it's what we do.